This is a follow-up to the video how to make a walking spider. If you've made that spider and you're having trouble getting it to walk properly, the problem is probably in the gear timing. I didn't really cover how to do the gear timing in that video, so I figured I'd do a quick follow-up video here. The first thing you need to do is make sure that your attachment points for the legs are in the proper place. So on each set of gears, they're going to be in opposite positions. So if this attachment point is all the way forward, this one's going to be all the way back. And then the next thing you need to do is time the front gear and back gear together. Now, of course, you're going to have a motor attached here, and your legs are going to be attached to where these pins are. What I like to do is line up one of the pins with so that it's on the same axis as the bar that the gears are attached to, and then free up the center gear, and then I will rotate that connection point so that it's also all the way on the inside of the spider. So looks like maybe that could go down one gear notch right there, and that will make a difference. One notch in those gears will make a difference in how it walks. And then seat that there, and then this will have the spider so that these two legs here are synced together and these two legs are synced together. And now if you are having trouble with that, you might want to give it a shot, a try with a different timing, and that would be the outside legs sync together and the inside legs sync together, and then you would do that by having this connection point all the way to the outside like this. So we're going to free that gear up and rotate that back one, the back attachment point, get everything all nice and lined up, and that looks pretty good. So now the outside legs and the outside legs will be synced and the inside legs will be synced. Alright, well, if you're having trouble, hopefully that helped you out. Thanks for watching.